Hey, what's up, everybody? This your boy named Jaquan Motri. If you're here watching this video for the very first time and you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing and from ClickBank, okay. Now, here's the thing, guys. This might be a good idea for you to get free traffic to your affiliate marketing offer. All right, whether it's JVZoo, ClickBank, Digistore24, or Warrior Plus, or CJ Affiliates, or other networks, etc., etc. Now, if you are somebody who is new and is looking for an opportunity to make $1,000 per day with affiliate marketing, then please be sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and make sure you turn those notification bells on, because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Now, this is my YouTube channel where I teach you guys learning how to make money online with affiliate marketing. So basically, I teach you guys how to make money online with affiliate marketing whatsoever. Now, you don't have to have experience. You don't have to have no type of skills or anything like that. What you would need is a laptop with internet. What you would need is a laptop with internet connection to do the work, okay? You can do 15 minutes a day of work. All you have to do is willing to set it all up on autopilot and let it does on its own, okay? So I'm going to show you right now what to do when you are, especially as a beginner, okay? So if you like this type of content and you want to see more videos like this, please be sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe, and turn those notification bells on. Alright, so without that being said, guys, let's head over right now. Alright, so the website is called clickbank.com. Now, I know most of you guys who heard about me doing ClickBank, okay, I know this might be some of you that's in the country. ClickBank is no longer in your country. Okay, you can always go to Digistore24.com and create an account. It's free to all users for all countries. Alright, except for ClickBank. Alright, ClickBank has been around since 1998, and yeah, it's been around for a very long time. Okay, so ClickBank is 100% free to sign up. All you need to do is click the Start Here button. Okay, you're gonna answer these questions, answer the quiz. But if you don't want to answer the quiz question, you can skip this quick start guide and just create your account. It only takes about 5 minutes, okay? It takes about less than 2 to 3 minutes. All you gotta do is set it all up, alright? So after you're done with that, I'm gonna log into my ClickBank account, okay? If you bear with me one moment, please. Alright, this gonna be your dashboard, okay? I'm gonna close that out. Okay. Now this is gonna be your dashboard when you come to ClickBank. Okay. So this when you're gonna see your weekly sales snapshot, and this is when you're gonna see your daily sales snapshot. Okay. Your daily sales snapshot would tell you how much money have you made like every day. Okay. You can get paid daily. Okay. All you have to do is willing to put in the 15 minutes of work, okay? Or just at least 10 to 15 minutes. All right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to Marketplace. All right. Now you see all these different categories. Now the reason why I come to ClickBank is because I'm doing this video to show you guys and learning how to build an online business so you can start grossing income, okay? Increasing more income. So what we're gonna do, we're going to go for e-marketing / e-business / e-marketing, okay? And then we're gonna sort this by gravity, okay? Now, this product right here is actually hitting, as you can see, the gravity score is 298.59 affiliates has been getting paid. Okay. Now the conversion rate is the conversions is $23.31. Recurring billing is $46.24. So you're gonna get that every single month if the person decides to keep paying every month. So you're gonna get that every single month, okay? Along with your regular average conversion, which is $29.35. All right. So we're gonna promote this product. So this is the product that we're gonna see right now. As you can see, that we clicked on it right here. This is the online social media jobs. So I would say online social media jobs that pays $25 to $50 per hour, no experience required, work at home. Take a 1-minute quiz to find out what type of social media job you are best suited to. Click the start quiz below. Alright, so when they start their quiz, that's when they're going to go to the sales page. Okay, so when they finish, they're going to pay for the program, and then once they get done paying for the program, then we're going to make a commission of $29.35. Alright, so we're going to close this out. We don't need this right now, so we always need the affiliate page. Okay, so that's very important because we want to get some type of information that they have for us so we can send it out. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna do like we're gonna use email swipes. Okay, so before we use email swipes, I want you to go to a website called Hercules.com. Okay, it's totally free. I will leave the link in the description down below, so that way you can have full access to this amazing opportunity. Okay, so when you're going to sign up, just make sure you put the right email and make sure you sign up. I recommend you guys to have 3 accounts. Okay, make sure you have 3 accounts because you want to send out. You're going to send out 1,000 on each account. Okay, so you're going to send out 1,000 emails. It's going to be sent out to 1,000 members. So if you send out an email to 1,000 members on Hercules on 3 accounts, that's 3,000 members that you just sent out. Okay, so this is like building like your email list. Okay, so basically this will help you grow your business. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to log into my I'm going to log in real quick. So let me log in. Bear with me 1 second, guys. Bear with me 1 second. Okay. So now I'm going to log in. Okay. I'm going to log in. Give me 1 moment. All right. So we in here. All right. Okay. We in here. Let me see that. Okay, just waiting to get into the members area. Okay, so this is going to be your back office once you sign up with Warrior Plus. And plus, I forgot to mention, guys, when you sign up with Warrior Plus, you'll get a $5 bonus. Okay, so make sure you sign up. Description below. All right, because I want you guys to sign up down below, so that way you can start getting free traffic. Okay, because this is the free traffic source that I use to generate leads. Okay, this is how you generate leads, guys. You get free traffic. You don't have to pay for anything. Okay, so now the next step, what we want to do, now we want to since we already have our account set up, and ready to send out emails. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pick something like let's pick number 3. Yeah, we're gonna pick something like this. Okay. We're gonna copy that. And then we're gonna paste it. Okay. Now if we go to promote, we're gonna promote and then generate hop link. Okay, copy that. Okay, we just copied that already. Now the next thing we want to do now, we want to come over here. We want to come over here and go to Bitly. We're going to shorten out our link, okay? Okay. And then we're gonna place our link right here. And then we're gonna create it. And then we're gonna say something like get paid to use Facebook. And then the title is gonna be social media job. Hold on. Get paid to use Facebook online. Alright, there we go. And then we're gonna hit copy, and then we're gonna place our link right here. Okay. Now what we want to do now, we want to do like a body. Okay. So basically we're gonna come back to the affiliates page, and then we're going to copy this right here. Okay. So we're gonna copy that. All right. And then we're gonna place this in the body. All right. So that's gonna be a good one. Okay. So now the next step, what we want to do, we want to put our name right here. Okay. I want to put our name. Okay. Okay, and then that's it. All right. And then once we put our name right here, and that's it. Okay, guys? And that's how you do it. And then we're gonna say then we're going to send it out. All right. And we just sent it out to 1,000 members. Okay. So that's how you drive free traffic to your affiliate offer. Okay. All right. So I'm going to log out, and that's how you do it. Okay. All right. So I want to thank you guys for watching my video. And if this video is really interesting to you, man, please smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button. Make sure you turn those notification bells on as well, because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Now, without that being said, guys, my name is Jaquan Moultrie, and I want to thank you guys for allowing me to do this step-by-step tutorial video on learning how to get free traffic to your affiliate offers on ClickBank. All right. And also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation on learning how to make $2,000 per day in affiliate commissions, I have a link in the description down below, so that way you can get access to that as well, because we have a live free training that will teach you step by step on learning how to set up your system so you can able to start. You get to keep 100% commissions after you set it up. All right. So if you want to learn more about that, click the first link in the description. All right. And I want to say this, guys. Once you start realizing that you're making money online, your first $2,000, you will also keep making $2,000 daily, okay, in affiliate commissions. That's all you want to do, okay? It's not like you're about to get rich overnight, because that does not work like that. You have to be willing to put in the work to see some results, okay? So without that being said, guys, my name is Jaquan Moultrie, and I want to thank you guys for allowing me to do this video step-by-step tutorial showing you guys to learn how to build a small business and learn how to get free traffic to your affiliate offer. All right, y'all. Peace out. Have a great one.